What is the area of the rectangle where the midpoints of the four sides are negative 2, 0, 3, 0, 6, 4, 1, 4? So if I quickly tried to draw a rough graph of that, that would be negative 2, 0, 3, 0, 6, 4, maybe something up there, and 1, 4. So wait, remember, these are not the vertices of the rectangle. That looks more like a parallelogram. These are actually the midpoints of each of the sides. So that suggests that my rectangle probably looks something like that. Not drawn to scale, of course. So if I want the area of my rectangle, I simply need the width times the length. And the length and width are going to be defined by the distance between these points. So that width would be between point 1, 4 and 3, 0. Well, what would that distance be? We see in the x, we're traveling from 1 to 3, so that's going to be 2. And in the y direction, we're going from 0 to 4, that's going to be 4. Our distance there is going to be the square root of 4 squared plus 2 squared, which is the square root of 20, or simplifies to square root of 4 times 5, 2 root 5. That is my width. Okay. Now I just need my length. That's going to be the distance between the points negative 2, 0, all the way over to 6, 4. Okay, so that's an x change from minus 2 to 6 of 8. So we want to take the square of 8, and it's going to be a y distance, again from 0 up to 4. So that's going to be 4 and 8 on my right triangle, so plus 4 squared. The hypotenuse, or the distance, will therefore be the square root of 64 plus 16, which is the square root of 80, which, by the way, is 4 square root of 4 times 5, or 4 square root of 5. So what is the area? The area equals length times width, which in this case equals 2 root 5 times 4 root 5, which is 8 times root 5 squared times 5. 8 times 5, my area is 40 square units.